All right, we're back, and we've done the repair. I'm pretty excited about this, man. This stuff is just, it's amazing. It didn't work with the pencil torch. Maybe I wasn't patient enough to give it enough time. So I just went ahead and used the Propano and use Peligro when you're using Propano. I just heated it up in there. And I actually sharpened the glue stick, you know, the end of it, just to make sure I could get right in there. And lo and behold, once I hit it, went first, and it started to, but it wasn't really hot enough. So I came back and I hit it, warmed it up some more, and it went right in, just like solder, you know, just went right in. And then, you know, when it started slowing down to stop, I stopped and I actually cut the glue off and then hit it, torched it down, and wham, it just fell right in there. So I got to show you, it's absolutely awesome. It's beautiful. Take a look down in there. It just kind of was sticking right up out of there, and I cut it off, and then it flowed right down either side. It's all taken care of down in there. Let's see if we can, I don't know if this does any good for you. That helps you at all, but fantastic. Just an awesome product. It's been holding 14 pounds. I had it up to 15, and then I think I might have squeaked a little bit of air out when the rubber ball moved a little bit. But it's been sitting there at least 10 minutes with 14 pounds in it. So I just went in and got the water, and we're going to give it a water test and see what happens. All right, let's sit you all down right here. And see if we can't get this bad boy in there. Can we get some more air pressure in it? It really doesn't want to take in any more air. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now we're up to 15. Okay, check. Check it out, right? 15 pounds. Let's dump it in the water and see what happens. You know what? You know what we call that? Success. Yeah, I'm getting the little air bubble coming out of that fitting there. But when I'm done here, we're going to take those back out, and we're going to glue those in. We're going to epoxy those in, and this is exactly why. Even with a gob of thread tape on there and them bad boys cranked down in there, they still leak a little bit. That's why I glue them down. But look at that. I mean, that thing was just, it was just buzzing right up out of there before, wasn't it? Nice job. Thanks to Jason Dillon over there at Dillon Radiator, and the guys at Northern. The vice president actually got on the phone with me and was telling me about all the different products that they have for you know, cleaning up the inside of your core. They got liquid stuff, kind of like what your bars leak type of stuff. They have a powder stuff. They have a liquid. And then they have epoxies that have a catalyst and a resin, and then they have this stuff here. And this is what they suggested. And I'm darn if it didn't work just like they said it would. So there we go. Back in business. We are pegged out, baby. 16 pounds there. Look, man, it doesn't get any better than this. We just saved us a radiator. This is a dual core radiator that was, like it says, same size as the old one there. This should solve all our cooling problems and get us back and going in the direction we want to go. So now we're excited about April. I've talked to a couple different fellas about some specs for the motor and what I probably did wrong with you know, the gaskets, the base gaskets, and setting the using that to set squish and volume. So we're going to have to do some cutting on the head, but we're going to lift the jug back up, and I'm sure that's going to free it up. I mean, that's going to make the revs that it needs to, it's supposed to make, and do the things it's supposed to do. So I'm excited now. I'm really looking forward to getting out there and turning some laps. God willing, if the doctor gets me off this medicine, then we can do it. But now I can start working on getting the radiator in the cart. Ed, I sent the dimensions to Ed for the bumper, so he's bending us up a bumper right now. But I'm going to fit this thing up with this in place, and then we'll do everything except this stuff here, you know, to hold the radiator in on the top, to hold it into the. We got to take these off yet, but to hold it in place, because this, you know, the new bumper is might be a little bit, but we'll put all new tubes in, new bumper on the top, and you know, obviously we'll bring you all that stuff too. So that's it. Look in the description for the contact for Northern Radiator, their website. You can look at all their stuff there. They also have pre-made production radiators. You know, some of them may fit the shifter cart. I actually found one that was probably 2 inches taller than this one, in about the same width. So I mean, I could actually use that too, but it's only an inch wide like this one instead of 2 inches wide. We want that extra core because we want that extra cooling. But take a look at them. Give Dillon, Jason Dillon a call at Dillon Radiator if you want to pick up this product. It's called Stic-Tite. You're supposed to use it. The directions here are very simple. You know, I couldn't be happier. So that's it, folks. I got to run off to the Home Depot and buy a bunch of GFI outlets and put some GFI outlets in the house for the inspector and make him happy, keep him out of here, because we're getting 220 wired in out here next week. So that's it. Until we bring you some more building the airbox or whatever, we'll bring you some carbon fiber work and stuff like that in the future. Get them carts ready, guys. Man, I'm looking forward to having 2 full days at Grattan to test and practice. So get them ready to go. Godspeed. We'll talk to you later. Love y'all.